Hi, good afternoon. This is Mike Barrios of Integrity Home Finance. I hope to leave you with good news this weekend, and hopefully we can bring in some more buyers. As a direct lender, Integrity Home Finance is now eligible to fund the 90-day temporary flip rule from FHA. Prior to this rule being released in January, a buyer was not able to close on a loan if the previous owner owned it for less than 90 days. Now, what that was doing to us is there's a lot of sellers, REOs, that were not allowing FHA offers because of the 90-day flip rule. Cash buyers and investors, of course, are going to always get the great deal, but FHA buyers are going to be eligible to purchase some of these homes now, which is good news for all of us. On January 15th, HUD issued a temporary waiver to their anti-property flipping regulation that prohibits issuance of FHA insurance on properties owned by the seller for less than 90 days. Now, there's certain times where they would allow this under extreme circumstances. Now, keep in mind this waiver is only through January 31st of 2011 unless extended. For us, as Integrity Home Finance and Direct Lender, it's effective as of February 4th of 2010. We just wanted to get clarification on the guidelines to make sure we don't close late or there's no misunderstandings. Now that we know the guidelines like the back of our hand and know what our investors want, we are releasing it and publishing it out to everyone. The maximum debt ratio, however, on these types of loans is 45% with a DU approval, and the minimum credit score that we're requesting is a 660 credit score for all borrowers. So a husband and wife must have a 660 minimum credit score. It has to be a single family residence. Condos and PUDs are not allowed. The parties, the buyer and seller, cannot be related, and you have to verify the seller's on title as indicated on the appraisal, and make sure that there's no family or business relationship that exists between the both parties. No pattern of previous flipping exists, such as multiple transfers on title within a 12-month time frame, and the appraisal is required to show a 3-year history of ownership. We have to have documentation the property was marketed openly and fairly through an MLS or an auction. Sales contracts which have been assigned to the current buyer are not allowed. For sale by owner transactions are not acceptable whatsoever. For property sales prices that are over 20%, we have to abide by the following guidelines. Keep in mind that if the value increases by 100% or more, a second appraisal is required, and a second appraisal may be required for lesser appreciation and underwriter's discretion. I appreciate your time, your valuable time. If you have any buyer needs, pre-qualification needs, lenders, if this product line is not available to you, please feel free to give us a call. We'll make sure to take good care of your client. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.